this bridge is from the movie Summertime. Katharine Hepburn comes down it, and I believe she sees a red goblet in a window, and I believe that may be the shop right there, that she sees the goblet. But anyway, for sure, she comes down these steps, she walks just a few feet over here, and she tries to take a video. She wants to take a video of the shop because that's where there's a gentleman there that she's falling in love with, works in that shop, owns that shop. But anyway, she asks the little Italian boy that befriends her to hold onto her purse, and she walks over here, and it's a famous scene. She tells him to kind of keep quiet because he's talking, and she keeps backing up, and then she falls into the canal. And it's a really, and then all the people from this piazza come running and want to know if she's okay. And it's a really funny scene in the movie Summertime. You should rent that movie if you love Italy and Katharine Hepburn and classic movies, because it was all taped here in Venice, and it's a love story. And yeah, she falls into the canal, and she suffered, though, a eye condition. She got bacteria from the canal in her eye, and until the day she died, she suffered an eye problem from it. But yeah, that's the bridge, and I'm pretty sure, I'll have to go back and look at the movie, but I'm pretty sure that's the shop that she sees a red goblet, and she goes in, and she's shocked to find that the gentleman that she had seen at St. Mark's owns that shop. And it's just a lovely story. So I'm very thrilled to be right here.